Well, this is our 63 Impala. It'll fit other Impalas of that model. It sits in the spare tire, completely bolts down. We have the AccuAir Indo tanks held on with our evolved clamps, our new mono clamps that we're setting out. We also did our bulkhead fittings on each one. Good thing about the bulkhead fittings is they kind of give you a spot to get to when you're doing hardline and stuff like that. You set where you want them to be, and then you just kind of design your hardline from there. We also have a three-way from Hoppo. A little bit on the hydraulic side, but we're using it for air. We actually ran 1/2-inch airline, all brushed stainless steel. Not a lot of people are doing that right now. We did all the sponsors on our plexiglass laser cut. It was 3/8 plexi, and then we did it all in-house laser from the back, so you get that smooth look on the front, and then side lit it with LEDs to make it really pop. And we paired everything. We're running everything off of the airlift, an airlift valve, one of the best in my opinion. We're also going to be offering raw water traps. These ones we actually brushed, finished to match the Indo tank, kind of give it a polished, brushed look throughout the setup. The benefits of doing an all-in-one package tray setup like this is it's a direct bolt-in. You run 5 wires depending on how many compressors you're running, and it's just plug and play, drop it in, hook up your airlines, and your car's bagged. We can set you up on a killer setup like this, all in-house. Your car doesn't have to be here. All we need is some measurements, build this up for you, and bring it in. We can install it, or you can install it yourself.